How to add music to a YouTube video. So if you want to add music to a YouTube video, then what you need to do is first you need to simply go with the YouTube. Just go with your browser and then open up youtube.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the top right, which has that profile option. Go with YouTube Studio. Under your YouTube Studio, you need to go with the content section, which is on the left side, and here you will have your videos, right? Suppose, for example, if you want to add music to this video, then you just need to simply go with the pencil shaped icon, which has right here. Go with the details or the pencil shaped icon, and then you need to go with editor option. And under editor, you may have the audio option, and then you can edit your audio, right? But in my case, I don't have that option. But if you do have that option, you can simply go with it. So you can simply go with the audio library and select any audio that you're comfortable with and select any music that you would like to add to your video. Or the other way is you can simply take your YouTube video. If you've downloaded it, then it will be easy for you. So you just need to simply search for weed.io and then go with start for free. And here you need to simply go with create a new project. Go with upload files and then upload your YouTube video. Once you've uploaded your video, now if you want to add the audio also, then you just need to simply go with the audio section, which is right here on the left side, and then go with upload a file if you want to upload it from your PC or your laptop. Or you can also scroll down and here you will have all of the music. So you can simply choose any track or any audio that you would like to add and go with the plus, which is on the right side, and that will be added right here. You can just adjust it and you can also edit it if you want to edit that. You can just go with settings and then you can select the project settings. You can go with clean audio or translate voice if you want to, and go with the duration, frames per second. And if you take the upgraded version, then you will have a lot more options right here. So once you've added, you need to simply go with done, which is on the top right, and then you can upload, export the video. So that's how you can add music to a YouTube video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.